Hello friends, welcome to another session on a hearing aids. I am Dr. Prabha Unadkat, founder of Quality Hearing Care Mumbai. We have been providing services to people with hearing loss over last 3 decades now. In today's my presentation, I am going to share with you details about behind the ear hearing aids. Hearing aids are available in 2 different types. One which is behind the ear and one which is in the ear. Amongst these, there are different styles. Now, irrespective of a style and a type of a hearing aid, the components within the hearing aids remain more or less the same. It is only the difference is how they are housed within the shell. If you have missed out my previous video about the basic component of hearing aid, please find a link below in the description. The selection of a type of a hearing aid depends on 4 factors. Number 1 is a severity or a degree of hearing loss. Number 2 is any anatomical or medical conditions in the ear. Number 3 is your lifestyle concerns. And number 4 is the cosmetic considerations. Now let us discuss in detail the advantages and disadvantages of behind the ear hearing aids. Basically, behind the ear hearing aids sit on top of the ear and goes right down, and the sound is delivered into the ear through a tube or a receiver depending on the style of a hearing aid. The basic type of behind the ear hearing aid has a shell and all the 3 components of a hearing aids, that is microphone, amplifier and a receiver, are housed within the shell, and the sound is delivered through a hook connecting a tube through a ear mold into the ear. The second style of a hearing aid is a slim tube type. The slim tube type has a tube instead of hook, which is attached to the receiver of a hearing aid inside the housing, and it delivers the sound to the ear. Third, and the most important and the currently most looked after hearing aid is receiver in the canal hearing aids. Receiver in the canal hearing aids have only 2 components within the shell of a hearing aids. That means it has got a microphone and a amplifier in the shell of a hearing aid, while the receiver is outside, lying outside, which is connected through a thin wire, and this can be put into the ear. Now this receiver can be covered with different types of domes which sits inside the ear. Now let's see the advantages of a behind the ear hearing aids. There is no doubt that behind the ear hearing aids have been the most popular hearing aids over many years. One of the most important reasons for this is affordability. They are available at a reasonably low price. Of course, the price also depends on the type and the functions in the hearing aids. The second important advantage of this hearing aid, behind the hearing aids, are that they are suitable for any kind of hearing loss, including most severe to profound hearing loss. In this, both the styles, whether it is standard behind the ear with a hook or a one with a receiver and canal, are both equally suitable for people with a severe to profound hearing loss. The third advantage of this hearing aids is they do not require any customization. So they can be fitted immediately. In case of standard behind the ear, they can be fitted with the adapters which are regularly available, and in case of receiver in the canal, they can be fitted with domes which could be adjusted to the requirement of a patient. Number 4 is people who have problems with discomfort or a inability to tolerate blocking of the ear. This kind of hearing aids are very useful. So they are more comfortable and easy to fit in this type of patients because they do not block the ear. Particularly the receiver in the canal hearing aids have the domes which could be open. Another important advantage of behind the ear hearing aids is they manage feedback better than in the ear hearing aids. The reason for this is a feedback is created by leakage of a sound from the ear, which gets picked up by a microphone, and this gets recirculated, causing very inconvenient sound. As in the BTE hearing aids, the distance between the microphone and the delivery of a sound or a receiver is larger compared to one in the ear hearing aid, so it is more comfortable for the patients with having likely to have feedback. The other advantage of a hearing aid, this hearing aid, is a battery, because particularly in an elderly patient, these hearing aids have a very distinct demarcation about the positive and the negative side of the batteries. The battery doors are slightly larger. The battery sizes are little larger, making it more comfortable for people with a dexterity problem and visual problems. In addition to this type of hearing aids are fortunately now available also with a rechargeable battery, which is a very good advantage to people who have difficulty in visual or a dexterity problem. There are few disadvantages of behind the ear hearing aid. The most important is the discretion. Irrespective whether you are using standard BTE or RIC, the body of a hearing aid is visible behind the ear, which many people don't like. The second disadvantage of this is a loss of pinna effect. Pinna is the outer part of our ear. Generally, when the sound comes, it enters our ear directly inside here, and pinna helps in localization of a sound and collection of a sound. And this advantage is lost in case of behind the ear hearing aid, because the microphones are sitting on the top of the hearing aid and the sound is delivered on the top of the hearing aid instead of having been delivered into the pinna. So there are lots of things that they have tried technically to improve this function, but unfortunately they could not do it. The third disadvantage of these hearing aids are they get affected badly with moisture, because people living in the humid climate sweat profusely, and this affects the hearing aid very frequently. It may be also difficult for people who have a deformity of the outer ears like pinna. That means when you are choosing a type of a hearing aid for yourself, you should look at these considerations very carefully, because once you have got it, you will have it. You discuss all these problems, understand your requirement with the help of your professional, and select a correct style and a type for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press a bell icon so that you do not miss our next presentation on types of hearing aids. Thank you and take care.